Welcome back to the channel. Welcome back to the vlog from the great sunshine state of Florida. It is sunny, but it's cold. It was like 32 degrees last night, unheard of. But I have a private track rental to get the car, to learn the car a little bit better. So I'm here picking up my trailer from the trailer yard, and then we're gonna go and load the car up and go to the track day. All right, guys. Next day here, I forgot to shoot an outro yesterday. Went to the track, had a private track rental. Was able to get 2 runs in before I started having problems with my clutch. So I say I'm running a Mantic triple disc. I'll probably have it in for about 10,000 miles now. So and I've been launching it pretty hard. So I'm gonna pull it to make sure that it is the clutch that's bad and I didn't break anything in the transmission. I also want to check my my axles to see if my axles are good. So in this upcoming week, I'm gonna go ahead and try and pick it up put the car up. And I usually take my car to the hobby shop to drop the transmission, but I'm gonna try and drop the transmission here because it's gonna be down for such a while, because I'm gonna have to take the clutch out, box that up, ship it off to North Carolina, then they have to rebuild it, put the new pieces in it, and then ship it back. So in all, I think that might be like a month turnaround time. So in the interim, I'm gonna go ahead and fix and upgrade like my fuel system and all my other stuff that I'm gonna do. I'm also put my car on E. So I was just waiting for some fuel pumps in. That's why I was trying to do the test this past weekend, but with the mail and everything like that, it didn't get done. Parts didn't arrive until Saturday, so didn't want to rush and try and do that. Kind of glad I wasn't able to do it, because now I need to figure out, okay, it was this and not nothing else, and then go from there with the transmission. And I also want to thank my boy Ronnie and Scott for helping me loading and unloading the car. And yeah, guys, so we're gonna tear it down and see what it does, what it is, and then we'll go from there. And as usual, guys, I'd like to thank you guys for watching the videos, taking this journey with me, getting this car dialed in. But with everything, with the race car or attempted race car, you always gonna break parts. So that's part of racing. Break stuff, race, repeat, or whatever the saying is. But again, guys, thanks for checking out the channel. Give this video a thumbs up. If you like what I'm doing, definitely subscribe to the channel. Hit the bell icon for future uploads to see when I put up my future videos on the build on this. And then also, I got a lot of stuff going on, so I'm just gonna try and, you know, get everything done. So right now my car is focused to get the car dialed in and ready by sometime in March to go do some races out of town, and also for the big showdown. And also after, as you can see back there, work on the GTO. I gotta get the video together to tell you guys what's wrong or what's the issue with the GTO. So look for that as well. And as usual, guys, thanks for rocking with me, and thanks for watching the videos. Peace.
I don't know what sleep is. I got a queen, she lit me the evening. She ripe like a peach and she snapped me the snippet. You well overdue for that link up in person. Text me to fall through a murder, she wrote it. Still up with courage, you're doing a service. Pull up to the crib, I'm equipped with the brush strokes. Cutthroat from the low, when no love goes. Women buddy